probably are one of our attendees that has come the furthest from Sydney, Australia.
Yes.
What I'd like to talk to you a little bit about is what you gained from being here at the NEHA AEC, and from an international perspective, what the conference may mean to you. So tell us a little bit about some of your favorite parts of the conference.
The conference has been very excellent. This is my third conference, so I have the opportunity to compare, and I think this probably has been my best one so far. And one of the great things about this conference is that there are so many people from different fields in environmental health coming together and just sharing, their everyday work that they do out there in the field, and we get to see some research and see how it all comes together. So for me, that's a huge highlight of this conference. And the keynote speaker on the opening ceremony was quite awesome. So I really enjoyed that. It was a great opening ceremony.
Wonderful. Well, what pieces are you taking back that you can use when you get back and you're in your day-to-day? What did you learn from here that you're going to take back and implement?
There are a few things, but one of the things that stood out a lot for me was the mobile applications, because as you know, everything is getting smaller and people want to have technology at their fingertips, but at the same time, taking it to the field with them. And I believe that is something that, we never really thought about much. And it also came out in the guest speakers' the opening ceremony as well. And there have been quite a few presentations as well about climate change, which is quite a huge issue right now. My own research is in infectious pathogens right now, and there have been some excellent presentations. The last one I just heard looked at an unusual outbreak that they've never seen before, and that for me was quite an eye-opener. So I'm very happy that I was here to hear about some of these unusual stuff that my colleagues have been able to tap into and to put in some control measures.
Wonderful. Well, how about from the speaker perspective, because you did have a presentation as well? What did you gain from being a presenter here?
My presentation, I was quite amazed at how well the people reacted to it. I thought that they were very engaged with what I was talking about, and I've got some excellent feedback from the audience. They asked me some really important questions, and there were questions from the virtual audience as well, which I'm really happy to be able to get this kind of feedback on board. As a researcher and as a student, I'm able to take these comments on board and to help to make my own research better, and of course to give feedback to my own institution about how we can move forward. And I'm sure my colleagues back in Australia will be very happy to know that the majority of people in the United States have received our research and our work in such a positive way.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for spending a little time with me this afternoon. I really appreciate it.
You're most welcome.